Hey guys, so after a lot of research and I looked at my Avalanche underneath at an inspection plate where the flex plate is at, and it's cracked. The whole thing on the outer edge is cracked all around the tooth, and up above where the bolts go it's cracked. So that's probably what that knocking noise is. So my advice is not to run it until I get that fixed, which won't be this fall. So pull insurance on there and not destroy it more and wreck the engine or wreck something. And the rear engine seal is out on it, so we might as well replace that while we're at it. So that's my thoughts. What's wrong? So it's not a rod bearing, because it just all of a sudden started doing that. And that's a common, well, I think that's a common thing that happens to every vehicle I see. Toyota, Chevy, everywhere, Ford. I've been looking on YouTube, and I took the inspection plate off. Right away I saw it. Big crack right by the teeth there. And then up there is a crack up above. I could see it plain as day. So I'm a little relieved. So that's a good sign. So I got a good truck. So just want to let you guys know an update on the truck. It's probably the flex plate, I hope.